mother. So y'all gotta forgive me in this bitch. Yeah. Frank Zero, bitch. Yeah. So the minute with lines when I'm invading around, the criminal minds, getting six of criminal rhymes. I'm in a rage and consumed by the punishment. Bloody disgusting, cause I'm cushioned to your brain, man. Like a Peter Jackson, think I come with bad taste. These mad ways for you to end up in that grave. Tell you down will beat your defecation, I'm suffocating. Bullets from the non-injected ejaculation. I'm nice with this heavyweight, nice pig. Rip your tongue out, bust the blast, use the less grip. I want you not to go out tonight, didn't I? Holocaust behind you with sufficient lines. Maniac rats making parallax. Competition for the death of your crew. I want you in the cast. I'll set you spies one line at a time. You never heard of a rhyme, never heard of an eyes and mine. Maniac rats making parallax. Competition for the death of your crew. I want you in the cast. I'll set you spies one line at a time. You never heard of a rhyme, never heard of an eyes and mine. I'm like beating the ring and a mathematic man. With broken glass in my hand, I stab you where you stand. Distortion and then the urban perverted mercy is virgin within the earthly perversion. There's four horns underneath my four horns. Four horns and all horns get beat like stitching cords. My mind is hit with the script of an Italian chord. Flicking high definition digital anamorphic. It's the dark as I start to the park. Looking for an assault, tear it straight up the ball. They call me good from the bill because I'm about to kill. Salted flash on a grill and Louis Bill. I touch a dick, now you go for the pig. Living in American when I split in the wind. Take that, get back, bust a cranium, with a sick rat. Step circuit through the floor, only mask get that. Maniac rat, make some noise in this bitch! Fuck yeah! Maniac rats, maniac rats, making permanent rats. All the death of your crew, I want you in the cast. I set me just lines one line at a time. You never heard of a rhyme, never heard of an eyes and mine. Let me hear y'all motherfuckers make some noise in this bitch. Say boo boo. Say boo boo. Yeah. How many of y'all motherfuckers got my L? Violent psychology. I do. Yeah. This next track. Motherfucking graphic violence. That fucking bullshit. I wanna know how many motherfuckers are down with a mosh pit. Anybody like to wash pit this bitch? Can I get the motherfuckers that like to wash? I wanna see some fucking blood on the fucking floor. I wanna see some heads getting fucking... Let me get a pit in this pit. Pit. Yeah. What? Pit, motherfucker. Pit. Maniac, lunatic, when I do a sick, she's a bitch, innocent, but this shit is crystal king. That's a rifle, I might go, we were psychos, keep it drank, probably like, oh, a hole in the skull, let's play personality, keep the best with me, carry what we see, and let the kids, I don't flat me. White slave, pick up brain, check up in the cage, this shit don't do the brain, hit what versus on the grave. Never set you like a 9/11, terror protect, and put your cat, you can't, make it flat at your back, another slow tear-stick, your wrist slip, body scar, never twisted. I'm more going out another horror story. Don't know me in my head, you when I show up at the door, G. My ex like a resident, leaving back split. How we go, that's the best here. Ain't a picture as I kill, call it perfect balance. From the silence, for the hardest silence. Yeah. Atrocious, I'm the girl, six different motions. If you win a couple stick, that was those bitch. Separate me, the limits of therapy. And just follow me, I'm moving your trees and ripping memories. I'm done less and grotesque, like a mess in your chest. Let it take, I can control the screen like to rest. Now it's clear when I'm setting shit, razor like a labyrinth, shattering your face, spreading. I keep waiting, the patient for my assassination. I'm racing from my hallucination.